Hi guys, welcome to a day in my life video, of course with a bit of cleaning motivation. It is very early in the morning and I am supposed to go and drop the kids to school, but I want to leave a load of laundry going before we leave so that by the time we come back it will have already finished washing. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Shiro and on this channel I just do videos on motherhood, cleaning and a bit of vlogs. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. This is our ride to school.
I used to think the world of you, but somewhere down the line we changed and we grew and we fell out of touch as time goes by. Still I'm holding on to you. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore, like I used to do before. Anymore. We used to be inseparable. I used to stand by you.
Welcome to our Kimende Limuru weather. That is the kind of weather that we are dealing with nowadays. You do random things for your children for the fun of it. No kids get enticed by very small things. So I have some candies that I bought for them. They are chocolates, so they have two cartoons. So there is Spider-Man, there is Paw Patrol, there is Disney Princess. In Cinderella. I don't know, something. Disney Princess, I forgot the name. And then this one is what? I don't know. Best pals. Whatever. Conversation hats. Oh, the hats that usually have tuninis. So I'm just going to label them. Here they have to and from. They're very cheap. They're like $1 something. So I just decided that is what I want to do for them. And then I got these 2 bags to put for them inside. And yeah, just for the fun of it. These ones are all over the shop because it is also around Valentine's. So the shops have so much candy. When I get back home, we are going to work on dinner. Today I feel like doing coconut fish curry. I have missed coconut fish. That's what we are going to have for dinner. And then I'm also going to bake a cake. I want to do a lemon cake. So all done. 4 for 4. 4 for 4. My blessings come in quadruplets. I think this is going to be fun for the kids, just randomly. I just randomly give them, I tell them, here, this is for you, for listening to me, for being good, for doing what you're supposed to do when you're supposed to do it. Anyway, yeah, 4 for 4. Let me show you guys. There are so many birds on the aqua roof. They look, hey, let me show you. I've never seen so many birds in one place.
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay.
I am back home and the first thing I'll do is straighten out my room. We had to purchase an iron because nowadays our clothes come out of the dryer so wrinkled up. It's like they've been chewed on. I've been using dryer sheets when drying the clothes, which used to help with the wrinkles, but I have no idea what happened. So anyway, we are back to basics and we have to iron almost everything before putting it on. So I'm ironing our pillowcases before I put them on the bed. Then I'll go ahead and lightly vacuum my room. I don't know if you guys have the same experience, but our room is like the hangout spot for everyone and it gets dirty so quickly because the kids are always here. So if I don't keep up with cleaning it, it gets unmanageable very fast.
Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Staying out on the weekends, I really need something to do. I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just faking my way through the days to avoid that feeling I get when I'm lonely and I'm missing you. Wish you could tell me what I should do now.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. 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 Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts. I should've known. It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. 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 Somebody.
Maintaining a space doesn't have to be stressful and draining. As you can see, it takes me a very small effort to do a daily maintenance in my room, and that's because I opted to simplify my life. And the lesser things you have to manage in a given space, the lesser stress you have. This would normally take me less than 20 minutes to do, but of course, because I'm filming, it takes longer. But if you're struggling with maintaining any space in your house, start with decluttering or minimizing the things that you have. And if you can't do that, at least have a place for everything. It will really, really make your life easier. There are still places in my house that I need to declutter, especially drawers and just organizers. I need to declutter those. But for now, I am working on the bigger spaces that are visible to the eye. Those are the ones that bug me the most. For now, we are using our study table as the ironing spot as well. That's why it has a blanket and a piece of cloth covering it. But I mean, it doesn't bother me because we are practically using it almost daily, in the morning, in the evening, just for whatever we need to wear. So it's okay for now. Once I am done here, we are going to go to the kitchen, bake the lemon cake I had mentioned, and then work on our coconut fish curry.
I left the hall light on in case you come back home.
I am going to leave the ingredients for the lemon cake in the description box, but all we need is flour, sugar, eggs, cornstarch, baking powder, some vegetable oil, a bit of salt and milk. Also some lemon juice and lemon zest. We are going to mix them together and then we are going to bake them in the oven for about an hour. If you're making a cake, it is about an hour. If you're making cupcakes, it is about 30 minutes.
I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home? I've been sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord I strike cries your name. Won't you come back home again?
For the coconut fish curry, I'm just putting salt and black pepper on the fish, and then I am going to shallow fry it until it is brown and crispy. Then I will fry the onions, tomatoes, and hoho. Once they are well cooked, I will blend them and make a paste. Then we are going to refry them, put the fish, and then put the coconut cream.
Stars fell out, the moon turned gray. The wind keeps whispering your name my way. I counted the hours, I folded the time, but nothing brings you back to mine. Still see your friends from time to time. They say you are doing fine. I smile and hold my breath and count to 10. Wish I could say the same. Wish I could say the same. Sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord I strike cries your name. Won't you come back home again?
This always turns out so good, and of course if you're a spice person, you can put the spices that you like. For us, we just like it as plain as it is. The cake is also done baking. I think I left it to bake for a bit longer than I would have liked it to, but it still turned out good. I also added chocolate chips, which is optional. You can put raisins if you want. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and keeping me company. I hope you have enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Baraka tele.